Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into buy signals for different types of trading intraday, swing trading, and long-term investing. Let's get started. Intraday trading. For intraday trading, you're looking for signals that work within a single day. Here's how you set them up and interpret them. Moving average, crossover, short term. Setup. Use a chart with 5-minute or 15-minute intervals. Add the 9-period and 21-period moving averages. Interpretation. When the 9-period moving average crosses above the 21-period, it's a bullish signal. The faster moving average shows upward momentum, suggesting it's a good time to buy. Support or resistance breakout. Setup. Identify key support and resistance levels on your chart, usually on 15-minute or 1-hour charts. Interpretation. If the stock breaks through resistance with increased volume, this suggests buying pressure and could lead to a strong upward move. If it breaks support, avoid buying. RSI bounce from oversold setup. Add the RSI indicator to your chart with a typical setting of 14 periods. Interpretation. When the RSI moves below 30, indicating oversold conditions, and then crosses above 30, it shows the stock could be reversing and gaining upward momentum, making it a good buy opportunity. VWAP reversal setup. Add the VWAP volume weighted average price to your chart. Interpretation. If the stock crosses above the VWAP from below, it indicates a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish, signaling a potential buy for intraday trades. Bullish candlestick patterns setup. Look for candlestick patterns like the engulfing, hammer, or morning star on your chart, typically on a 15-minute or 1-hour chart. Interpretation. These patterns indicate that buyers are taking control. If you see these at key support levels, they suggest a high probability of upward movement. Swing trading. For swing trading, you're looking for signals that can hold for several days or weeks. Here's how to set them up and interpret them. MACD bullish crossover. Setup. Add the MACD moving average convergence divergence to your chart with standard settings 12, 26, 9. Interpretation. When the MACD line, the faster line, crosses above the signal line, the slower line, this suggests increasing bullish momentum, indicating a good time to buy. Support bounce or pullback setup. Identify key support levels or trend lines on the 1-hour, 4-hour, or daily charts. Interpretation. If the stock is trending up and pulls back to a key support or moving average level like the 50-day MA, a bounce or reversal from this level signals a buying opportunity. RSI over 30 setup. Add the RSI indicator to your chart. Interpretation. If the RSI was below 30 oversold and then moves above 30, it signals that the stock is reversing its oversold condition and could be entering an uptrend, making it a good time to buy. Bullish divergence setup. Add the RSI or MACD indicator to your chart. Interpretation. If the price is making lower lows, but the RSI or MACD is making higher lows, it indicates that selling pressure is weakening and buying pressure may be increasing, signaling a potential reversal. Fibonacci retracement setup. Draw Fibonacci retracement levels from the most recent swing high to swing low or vice versa on your chart. Interpretation. When the stock pulls back to key Fibonacci levels 38.2%, 50%, or 61.8% and shows bullish price action, this can be a great signal to buy, as these levels often act as support in an uptrend. Long-term investing. For long-term investing, you're looking for signals that show sustained growth over months or years. Here's how to set them up and interpret them. Golden Cross 50-day MA above 200-day MA setup. Add the 50-day and 200-day moving averages to your chart. Interpretation. When the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, it signals the start of a long-term uptrend and is one of the strongest bullish signals. This indicates it's a good time to buy for long-term investors. Breakout above resistance. Setup. Identify long-term resistance levels on the daily or weekly chart. Interpretation. If the stock breaks above a major resistance level, it can indicate that the stock is ready for a longer-term uptrend. This could be a solid entry point for long-term investors. Dividend growth setup. Check the company's dividend history on a financial platform or your charting tool. Interpretation. Companies that consistently increase their dividends are often financially healthy and well positioned for growth. A reliable dividend growth history signals strong potential for long-term investing. Earnings growth setup. Analyze the company's quarterly earnings reports. Interpretation. If a company has consistent earnings growth of 10-15 per year, it suggests that the company is fundamentally strong and poised for long-term success. This is a great signal for long-term investments. Price above key moving averages setup. Add the 200-day moving average to your chart. Interpretation. If the stock price is consistently trading above the 200-day moving average, it suggests the stock is in a long-term uptrend, which is a positive signal for long-term investors. MACD bullish divergence setup. Add the MACD indicator to your chart. Interpretation. Just like in swing trading, a MACD bullish divergence on a longer-term chart, weekly or monthly, suggests that the stock's downward momentum is weakening and an upward trend may be starting. This could signal a great long-term buying opportunity. Recap. Intraday. Short-term signals like moving average crossovers, support or resistance breakouts, RSI bounces, VWAP reversals, and candlestick patterns. Swing trading, medium-term signals like MACD crossovers, support bounces, RSI reversals, bullish divergence, and Fibonacci retracements. Long-term investing, long-term signals like the golden cross, resistance breakouts, dividend growth, earnings growth, price above key moving averages, and MACD bullish divergence. Remember, no single signal is foolproof. Always combine them with other analysis tools and risk management strategies for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stock market tips.